Hedi Santoso from Schneider Electric, welcome to the ASEAN Youth Dialogue this morning.
Yeah, thanks.
But I want to ask you a few questions, which is about what is the role Schneider Electric sees it doing for the green economy? What's your view on that?
As Schneider, we consider on the we have a lot of things that we can do for the green energy, right?
Yeah.
So, how we can make an initiative to support the green energy, which is linked to the economic impact. This is what we consider as the role of Schneider's into the green energy.
Yeah. And I see that Schneider in the last few years has got a lot of initiatives. You have really transformed your company, and you're interacting a lot with the youth, with students, because that is the area where you're starting to do education and information. So, is this only in Indonesia, or are you doing it in the rest of ASEAN as well?
Yes, I believe it's all around the world because we consider that sustainability SDG is part of our ambition in the company. Actually, in Indonesia, we have started the initiative with the Ministry of Education since 5 years ago on how to build the competencies of the youth, especially at the vocational school, to support the operation part of the industry in Indonesia, i.e. on the energy management, i.e. on industrial automation, and also for the green energy, which is linked with the solar power system. And this is also aligned with the initiative we do with the Ministry of Industry, which is linked with the digital transformation. We believe that digitalization is the enablers on the sustainability.
So very impressive actually, because I believe even in your factory, and the students are going to visit there tomorrow. There's a lot of showcasing that you can do. What are some simple examples of how a student can understand what you're doing? Is there, like, I heard there's some building management solutions? Could you say a little bit about one or two simple things which everybody will understand?
Yes, if we are talking about digital transformations, somehow it's about how to make something invisible become feasible. Because we can do a lot on this energy efficiency if we have the data. This is a simple thing. Let's consider the building that we live and we work in. Buildings around the globe contribute 44% of carbon emissions.
Yeah.
So with our solution, we have the EcoStructures building operations, EcoStructures building advisors. It will give some information at a fun fact based information that later we can analyze to spot the improvement area, which is can be utilized on further actions on the how we can reduce the carbon emission.
Okay. So, do you have a message from yourself to the youth of ASEAN? What would you like them to remember or think about?
I think the key for the sustainability. I think this is the challenge for everybody here is that it takes years to make it real. We have one sample. Today we have a what we call green premium product of the MP switches. It is coming from 10 years research and development. So it takes years to have this come into actual. So for the young generation today, for the youth, it is your role to take the initiative to take part on how we can build better futures. That's all.
Well, that's very inspiring, and I think we will hear more from Schneider over the next few days to talk about how the youth can be more involved.
Thank you.
And thank you, Hedi, for being here with us, and we look forward to more interaction with you and with the Schneider team.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.